Yeah, you can't see how hard the snow is coming down right now, but it is coming down all over me. It's practically covered Claire's coat. That's just from her being outside. If you can see the patches of snow, of wind drift. Turn around, Claire. Wait, she's shaking it off. That's just from her being out here just about less than 1 minute. This is her scooping the snow off the car. And this is what it's been for like the last, this accumulation for like the last hour or hour and a half. And it's coming down really hard right now and piling on top of the camera. I'm going to have to go inside. But it bent the bushes all down. All the bushes in front that are usually pretty tall are all bent over with the weight of the snow. As you can see. They're all bent over. And so, yeah.